places the bike rack in the up position. Come over here. To lower it down, you take the pin out, both sides here. Drop it down. Put the pin back in to keep the bars up. From this point, you can lower it down. You can unlock the lever here. And hit the down button. From this position, you can load the bike on. It has a chalking rack up here for your front tire. Get the bike back on. Raise it up. Over here. As it goes up, you have a lock. It locks it in up position. So no matter what, even if you have hydraulic failure, the bike can ride in the up position during travel. It keeps it out of the road debris and out of the way. Even if it's raining, you're not going to have a lot of water coming up. If you want to put it in a travel position without the bike, you just come back over here, take these pins back out, rotate this into the up position, and then put the pin back in.